Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can enable hardware acceleration in Linux for your AMD graphic cards uh, uh, in this OBS Studio. Okay, so we'll go to settings and then we'll go to output. As you can see, this is the by default view. So this is how it looks like by default. So you can't select your AMD card from here. Like it's selected for software encoding. Like it's using H.264 encoder, but the encoding will be the software side. I mean, the CPU will be used. Your graphic card will not be used in this case. Like as you can see here, it's not showing um, full because I'm recording using it. So I need to show you some screenshot to make you understand what you need to do. So in your system you need to go to there where it's written output mode simple. You need to click here and you need to select advanced here. Then I'm showing you a screenshot what it will be like. Hold on for a second. Okay, so it will look like this, sorry. Okay, so here it is. So it will, when you go to recording section like here, when you will choose output, then when you will select advanced here, then there will be two tabs, one for streaming and one for recording, and then recording tab. This is the setting that you need to choose, or it will be available for you from after selecting advanced mode. Like for encoding, video encoding, you need to choose this FFmpeg VAPI H.264 if you want to use H.264 encoder, or if you want HEVC encoder, then you can choose HEVC encoder from here. For audio you can choose this, and for, as you can see, this is my graphic card 6700. It's showing, and this is the recording setting for recording purposes. I have, for YouTube recording purposes, this is my setting. This is the best setting I could find, the balance between the quality and file size. So if you are looking for a similar setting, then you can just use my setting. Or if you are looking for recording purposes, then for streaming purposes, then you can go to the streaming tab and select this encoder, and there you can, then you need to choose I would say constant bitrate, CBR, something like that, and you can adjust that, like the value. I would suggest 8000 will be enough. Yani 8 megabits per second. So that's how you can use hardware encoding in OBS Studio in Linux for your AMD graphic cards.